When I arrived at Deckers, one of the first projects I identified was the installation of a solar electric system to not only reduce operating costs, but to also help us with our environmental sustainability goals. Today, we can install solar for about 1/3 of what it cost us only 8 years ago. So it makes sense to take advantage of the increasingly attractive technology to reduce our carbon footprint and save money at the same time. We owe this to the environment as well as to our investors. We selected Brighten Solar from a large group of competitors who all wanted to be part of the Deckers story. These guys are smart and progressive business owners, and we realized a great collaborative opportunity with them. This has also been a great project for Brighten Solar as an up-and-coming local company that shares some of the same core values and goals that we do. We truly are partners, and we believe that Deckers and Brighten share the same passion for the environment. They've been willing and eager to go the extra mile for quality and environmental sustainability.
At Brighten Solar Co., we believe each project and client is unique. We design custom solar systems that meet our clients' energy and investment goals. We think out of the box and use our creativity to come up with the best solution for each project. We use the custom racking system in order to maximize the installed power on the rooftops. All 3 buildings combined have about 1,200 solar panels mounted on rooftops, representing about 400 kilowatts of solar power. High-efficiency panels were combined with power optimizers to maximize the energy generation and mitigate shading. Commercial buildings use about 1/3 of the total electricity consumed in the US, so the impact of a company like Deckers switching to solar is a huge win for our environment. Deckers is setting an example of leadership in sustainability, and they should be proud. Kudos, Deckers.
Our new solar electric system is only the newest component of our environmentally friendly approach to business here at our Goleta headquarters. Water conservation through the use of drought-tolerant landscapes, low-flow plumbing fixtures, as well as energy-efficient buildings all help to position Deckers as a leader in the community for environmental sustainability.